This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a location in the sizzling hot West Loop that's across the street from Mariano's Grocery and Mary Bartelme Park, and 2 short blocks from Randolph Street's Restaurant Row for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the full amenity Porte. Porte has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The well-equipped fitness center has cardio and strength training equipment and a separate yoga studio. Porte's sunset deck has skyline views and an adjacent 17th floor lounge. The 3rd floor lounge has a gaming area, a media area with a large screen TV, and a kitchen dining area. The lounge is open to a rambling outdoor deck with a pool and grilling areas. A ground level bike room has a workstation and direct outdoor access. Porte is pet friendly, and there's a popular dog park across the street. I'm just a few steps from the elevator bank at apartment 1301 in the North Tower, looking south through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades over the pool deck, turning into an open-plan living, dining, kitchen area. High ceilings, wide blonde plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Looking at an L-shaped kitchen, stainless steel appliance package, includes a gas range, built-in microwave, cabinet front dishwasher, tile backsplash, stylish white cabinetry that everybody loves these days. All the cabinets are soft close. There's a deep, wide, undermount stainless steel sink. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, there's a goodie bag to welcome you home with drinks and snacks. The kitchen set up with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dishes, cutlery, glasses, everything you're going to want to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. So, home office desk, looking out over that courtyard, turning into the bedroom, set up with a queen-size bed, nightstands, chest of drawers, another TV set, and there's a walk-in closet, custom organizers, additional towels and bedding. Heading back toward the entryway, full-size front-loading washer-dryer directly opposite the kitchen. Coat closet with cleaning supplies just beyond that. And turning into a very sleek and stylish bath. White tile contrasting with dark tile on the floor, wide vanity, Kohler soft close toilet, and there's shelving in the vanity for storage. Porte has a convenient, close to the loop, close to everything location across the street from the park and from Mariano's. There's a fabulous suite of amenities, and Sweet Home offers a variety of options here. It's a sweet deal for a short-term furnished apartment. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.